Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best bowling shoes is probably one of the most important yet overlooked pieces of equipment for any male bowler. A good pair can significantly improve your game by providing the right amount of grip and slide, enhancing your accuracy and consistency on the lanes. Choosing the wrong pair, however, can lead to discomfort, poor performance, and even injuries. So, whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, selecting the right bowling shoes is crucial for an enjoyable and successful bowling experience. This video will guide you through the essential factors to consider when choosing the perfect pair. Number 5. KR Strikeforce Flyer. Get ready to experience superior comfort and performance on the lanes. This shoe is designed to help you improve your game with innovative features. It features a soft, durable man-made upper that feels great and provides lasting support. You'll appreciate the comfort and breathability. The injection EVA outsole provides lightweight, flexible, and uniform cushioning with Lite technology. It's designed for all-day comfort. High abrasion, non-marking rubber heel pods give you excellent slide control. Experience the confidence to make precise shots. It has a strobel construction for increased comfort and support. This design helps to cradle your foot for a better feel. It comes with a number 8 white microfiber slide pad on both shoes, featuring Flex Slide technology. You'll be ready to slide with confidence and precision. What we like. It boasts unmatched comfort with its soft upper and lightweight design. The superior slide control ensures a consistent and powerful delivery. If you prioritize comfort and control, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. They're high quality without being high price, and he's been wearing them all season with no trouble at all. He finds them comfortable, and he likes the color and design. Comfortable and fit true to size. I appreciate that they look a little more sleek than a used bowling alley shoe. You see these shoes all over bowling alleys and for good reason. They are comfortable, and breathe well for long bowling sessions. Great value and durability. Number 4. KR Strikeforce Flyer Mesh Bowling Shoe. Get ready to experience superior comfort and performance on the lanes. This shoe is designed to elevate your game with its innovative features. It features a soft, durable man-made upper that provides excellent breathability and support, keeping your feet comfortable throughout your game. The injection EVA outsole offers lightweight flexibility and uniform cushioning. Experience the difference with Lite technology. High abrasion, non-marking rubber heel pods provide exceptional slide control, giving you the confidence to make those crucial shots. It's built with strobel lasting for increased comfort, ensuring a perfect fit and feel. You'll barely notice you're wearing them. It comes with a number 8 white microfiber slide pad on both shoes, featuring Flex Slide technology for optimal performance. What we like. It's also known for its soft upper and lightweight design, providing exceptional comfort. The slide control is excellent, giving you the confidence to make precise shots. If you value comfort and accuracy, this shoe is a great option. What people say. They're high quality without being high price, and he's been wearing them all season with no trouble at all. He finds them comfortable, and he likes the color and design. Comfortable and the right size. They are comfortable, affordable, and breathe well for long bowling sessions. Number 3. Pyramid Path Lite Bowling Shoes. These are the new Pyramid Path Lite Bowling Shoes, designed for superior comfort and performance on the lanes. They're lightweight and breathable, so you can focus on your game. The seamless mesh upper provides excellent breathability, keeping your feet cool and dry throughout your bowling session. This also enhances comfort and reduces friction. These shoes are incredibly lightweight, allowing for quick and agile movements on the lanes. You'll experience enhanced flexibility and reduced fatigue. Experience all-day comfort with the cushioned insole and supportive design. They're designed to keep you comfortable, even during long bowling sessions. With its superior grip and lightweight design, it helps you maintain balance and control for optimal performance. It's the perfect choice for bowlers of all skill levels. The Pyramid Path Lite Bowling Shoes combine comfort, style, and performance. Get yours today and experience the difference. What we like. This shoe prioritizes breathability and lightweight comfort. Its seamless design prevents chafing, keeping your feet cool and comfortable during long bowling sessions. If you need a breathable and comfortable shoe for extended use, this is for you. What people say. They fit well, they're breathable, so your feet stay dry, and they look great. They feel very well built, no seams or annoying poking within the shoe. They don't slip at all, which is really nice. They allow the proper slide, and the rubber brake on the heel stops you quick, if desired. Vibrant colors, fit was good. True to size. Most comfortable bowling shoes I've worn. They have just the right amount of slide and grip where you need it, but they also look decent. They're super lightweight and are fairly comfortable. They actually came out pretty well on length. Number 2. KR Strikeforce Aviator. Get ready to experience the next level of bowling performance. This shoe is designed for superior comfort and control on the lanes. The breathable knitted upper keeps your feet cool and comfortable, even during intense games. Enjoy superior comfort and performance. It features a revolutionary bubble rubber Kmiva outsole for exceptional grip and durability. Experience the difference a lightweight, high-performance outsole makes. The included slide pad, featuring Flex Slide technology, provides a smooth and consistent slide. It gives you the control you need for your best game. Experience all-day comfort with the deluxe open cell foam footbed. It cushions your feet and provides superior support. It's 40% lighter than comparable rubber outsoles. This means less fatigue and more energy for your game. What we like. This option is incredibly lightweight and breathable thanks to its innovative upper. The added comfort makes it ideal for extended use. If you are looking for a lightweight and comfortable bowling shoe, this is a top contender. Number 1. KR Strikeforce O.P.P bowling shoes. These bowling shoes offer superior comfort and performance. They're designed for both right and left-handed bowlers. The man-made upper is incredibly soft yet built to last. It provides excellent comfort and support throughout your game. It features a simple, classic design with stylish contrast stitching. They look as good as they perform. The Comfort Fit construction ensures a snug and comfortable fit. You'll experience all-day comfort on the lanes. They are fully textile lined with a padded tongue and collar for added comfort and support. Enjoy enhanced cushioning and breathability. These shoes are great for bowlers of all styles. The number 8 slide pad is on both shoes for ultimate versatility. What we like. This shoe stands out with its durable and comfortable design. The classic style is perfect for those who prefer a timeless look. If you value durability and a classic aesthetic, this is the one for you. What people say. The fit is perfect and they look good too. Fit great and comfy. The shoes are comfortable and fit well. The rubber toe seems to curve over just a tad too much and sometimes gets caught when trying to slide. Putting a toe cover over it has helped, but it would have been nice to not need it. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.